Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time. Welcome to this new episode. Today I received a little package and inside were 4 new low noise propellers for the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. And I want to compare their noise level to the normal standard propellers of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Again, I am not using the new version 2.0 drone. I am using the standard DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone. By the way, all product links can be found in the description below the video, but right now let's get this epic battle started. Don't forget to leave a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. Stay tuned and enjoy this tiny episode. The low noise propellers of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro are quieter. They make the drone a lot quieter in flight, but I must admit that the lower noise is not even what I really love about these propellers. What I love is that this annoying high-pitched tone is reduced, and that will probably drive some of my neighbors less crazy when I'm flying. So I can highly recommend getting the new low noise DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 propellers, even if you're using the standard DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Product links can be found in the description below this video. Right now, don't forget to leave a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. Stay tuned, fly safe, and enjoy another episode of mine. Even though the noise level, what is the noise level? The noise level. I am not reviewing the